ngomongin soal sampah nih, data dari Sistem Informasi Pengelolaan Sampah Nasional dari Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan menunjukkan bahwa Indonesia menghasilkan 34,85 juta ton timbunan sampah pada tahun lalu 2022. Dari total tersebut ada 12,13 juta ton sampah per tahun yang tidak dikelola.
5 Juni diperingati sebagai Hari Lingkungan Hidup Sedunia. Ironis, kondisi laut Indonesia kini berada dalam situasi kurang beruntung. Beberapa titik sudah jadi tempat pembuangan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Izzatun Eka Salsabila and I'm from class 10A, roll number 18. Beware of the dangers of microplastic and their microplastics are small plastic particles measuring less than 5 millimeters. Microplastic can be found in various environments, including the sea, rivers, and soil. However, microplastic can also have negative impact on the environment and human health. First, the digestive tract is known to be the main route of entry of microplastic into the human body. The purpose of this study was to determine the potential risks to digestive health with exposure to microplastic. This study used a literally study method, and the data was analyzed descriptively so that a picture of explanation to the topic-based study will be updated by me. Based on the results of the study, it is known that continuous exposure to microplastic in humans poses a potential risk to digestive health. This potential has been associated with effect on human digestive health such as damage to the digestive tract, intestinal inflammation, and adverse effect on human gut microbiota. These effects are still in the research stage, but initial evidence suggests a significant potential health risk. Second, microplastics are plastic particles with a diameter of less than 5 millimeters. Rates on microplastic has followed around the world as well as in Indonesia. The research in Indonesia it has been done in various places on the island of Sumatra, Java, Borneo, Sulawesi, and Papua. However, there has been no study on the extent to which microplastics research in progressing that exists in Indonesia today. This paper describes the development of microplastic research in Indonesia from 2014 to 2020 using the method of systematic review. Result of the review it showed that the majority of microplastic research in Indonesia is on average circular. The diffusion of distribution of microplastic both in freshwater, sea, and within organisms. However, that considering the results were not directly comparable because the sampling methods uses the difference between them one location to another. This is because the sampling method has not been standardized microplastic. Third, research locations are classified according to the large island that exists in Indonesia, the island of Sumatra, Java, Borneo, Sulawesi, and Papua, as well as other locations where microplastics have been found like Nusa Tenggara and Bali. The research object is defines a location-specific medium microplastic are found or students, such as in water, sediments, organisms, and other objects, as can be seen from the dominance of microplastic research of Java Island, many have raised the issue of water bodies being contaminated with potential microplastic from air pollution of potential pollution results from the dense populous areas. So, with so little research on microplastic left in other islands, it's challenge to study deeper. This is due to the wide variety of environmental conditions that exist in Indonesia, which it might affect the conservation of microplastic found.
Plastik jadi barang
Ironis
yang
kondisi
Sampah yang terus menumpuk dan menggunung. Inilah kondisi TPA sampah di Indonesia. Inilah sampah kita.
Be aware and take action. 1. Reduce plastic use. Reduce plastic use can help reduce the amount of microplastic products. 2. Use eco-friendly products. Using eco-friendly products can help reduce the negative impact of microplastic. 3. Manage waste properly. Manage waste properly can help reduce the amount of microplastic entering the environment. Let's act now. Let's be aware and take action to reduce the negative impact of microplastic by reducing plastic use, using eco-friendly products, and manage waste properly. We can help protect the environment and human health. That's all the news from me. And thank you. Bye bye everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.